To unleash the full potential of the Slussen app, make sure you have your Slussen adapter plugged in. Plug your headphones into the jack with the headphone icon and your speaker into the other jack. Once that is done, you are ready to play. The Slussen app will work without the adapter, but you will not be able to pre-listen tracks or get full functionality. Open a track on one of the decks by tapping on it. Choose the track you would like to play in the drop-down menu. Simply tap the track you want to play and it will be loaded onto the deck you've chosen. Repeat the procedure on the other deck. At any time, just tap the play button on the deck you wish to start. You can scroll through a track by sliding your finger along the waveform or by tapping the fast forward and rewind buttons.